Now let's start with our prototype. First we go here on the left and we add one more page, which is going to be called prototype. Great. Then I go back to the UI. Okay, I'm going to add this up back where it was. Okay, great. And in the UI design, I'm going to select all my wireframes, okay, all my screens, my high fidelity design screens, okay, and the design system. Then I'm gonna cut it. You can make Control X and paste it here in the prototype. Control V. Okay. And let's go screen by screen. First here from the login, I will take this button, okay? Imagine you are in the design mode, I think you will. And then you push here prototype and you take from this plus, you click and you take one cable to the next screen, which is welcome, okay? Trigger is going to be on click. You want, when you click on this button, to go to this frame. Action navigate to, okay, you have different actions, but in this case we need navigate to, destination welcome, and animation instant. So when you press on this instantly, it goes to the next screen. You also have dissolve, smart animate, and so on. Then we're going to do the same like we did with this button, but with these three other buttons. Okay, so we're going to push here, take a cable, and if you see what we had here, the last, it's the same, so it keeps the same. Then here, the same. On click, navigate to make reading yours, animation instant. And then from the last one, we're gonna take it to our home page. Also, another way to do it, it's if you press on it, then you go to interaction, maybe trigger, on click, action, navigate to, destination, home, okay, and animation instant. And you have here your cable, okay. Now that we have made this first, now we're gonna go here. I'm gonna take this from here, I copy it over here, gonna detach this. Oops. And I'm gonna make it main component on this frame. Okay, create component. Then I'm gonna take from here, from the first icon, okay, with only the first icon clicked, I'm gonna make an interaction, on click, action, navigate to my bag, okay, animation instant. And now with this being a component, I don't want this flow. Okay, I took it away. And with this clicked, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna replace it everywhere it's the same. Okay, everywhere we have the logo and those three icons. Go here as well. Paste to replace. Okay, I'm gonna paste it everywhere and then I'm gonna be back to you. Okay, now once this is done, we are gonna go here on our home page and we are gonna click on this frame, okay, where there are only these product cards inside, and we are gonna frame the selection one more time, okay. You press on this and frame the selection one more time, and we are gonna make this frame smaller. Let's see here in design, okay, this it should be like this. Let's see. maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, this has 395. Let me check. 393. If we take away the 24 pixels that are here in the margins, then it's gonna be 368. Perfect, yeah, it's great. So the wide should be 368 of the second frame that we created, and we're gonna say clip content. Okay. Also here, for example, I'm gonna grab this and then I'm gonna frame selection, and I'm gonna make this 368 and clip content. And you can do the same with this one, okay? Frame selection, gonna make this smaller, and clip content. This we don't actually need, so hard contents, okay? Check this big frame. Free. This one should hard content as well. Okay, now here where we made the first one, we are going to prototype and we're going to say overflow scroll horizontal. Okay, same here, horizontal, and here also horizontal, and here not, only this three. Okay, great. Let me just check if it works. Okay, I'm gonna go here to the preview. Yeah, it works perfectly. Okay, great. And now here where it says see all, let me check, this is okay. So which one is the main component? Let's see, go to main component, here it is. Okay, we are going to duplicate this. I'm gonna take this main component out of here and I'm gonna add this one. Okay, and the main component, I'm going to put it here. Okay, so now the main component, I'm gonna arrange it a little bit, I don't know, everywhere, anywhere, it's fine. Here. From here, I'm going to prototype, okay, add an interaction, on click, navigate to, and I'm gonna say category. Okay, so when you push here to new releases, for example, it's gonna go to the category. Also with the rest, okay, category. Everywhere it says see all, see here as well. It's gonna go to the category, which is why here I don't want, because from here it's not gonna go to the category, it's gonna go to a different page which is connected with the library. So I'm going to detach these instances, detach and detach. This page, if we go from here to currently reading, it's going to be similar to the category, but instead of buy, for example, it's going to be read now. Instead of the price, instead of everything, it's going to be read now. Okay? That one we didn't create because, well, we didn't actually need it. So now with this done, I'm gonna go down here. I'm gonna press on this product card. We're going to add an interaction on click, navigate to, and this is going to go to book detail. No, also to the category, sorry. This is going to go also to the category. Same with this one. On click, navigate to the category. Great. And now from this here, when you press on one of them, also it's gonna navigate to book details. Okay? Gonna do the same with the next one. Okay, you can actually connect all of them. Okay, all this that should go to book details. So see all, it goes to the category. Each product card, it goes to the book details. But here, as it's gender, it's going to go also to the category. So when it goes here, instead of new releases, here is going to be, for example, gender love, okay, romantic, or something like that. Okay. We finished now with everything that we have here on home. And now let's go here to the category. And what I will do, let's see which one is main component of this one. Main component, go to main component. Okay. And duplicate this here. And I'm gonna take out. Doesn't want. Okay, there's it. Gotta take this and also add it here on this page. This is the main one, okay? You know if it's the main one. It's not the main one? Okay, and if I do this. So you know if it's the main one because it has this. If it's not the main one, it has this icon you see with four small circles. And if it's not the main one, it looks like this. Okay, it's an instance. So now let's take this away. And from here, I'm gonna go here to buy, and I'm gonna add an interaction on click, navigate to my bag. Great. So now all of this should be connected, you see, with the bag. Okay, great. Here it's done. No, it's not done. Now here the heart, we're gonna make a small animation. It's gonna be cool. We take one heart from here, from the icon, and let's make the animation over here. I'm gonna detach this, okay, detach instance. I don't want it to be an instance. Go to the design, then I'm gonna duplicate it, and this heart, I want it to be filled with either black or either red, the color that you want, okay, black for example, or I can just fill it with red, okay. Then I'm gonna duplicate this again, and this one from the middle, I'm going to make it 26 pixels. Once this is done, let me check if it's centered. Yeah, it's centered. Once this is done, we go here, we take all of them, okay? Then we go here on the right side, create component option, create component set. There it is. Now we go to prototype mode, And we take each one of them, we connect them here on click, change to, but the animation is going to be smart animated, is in and out. You have different ways to animate. You can try all of them. And 100 milliseconds, okay, ms. Then from the second one, I'm gonna connect it with the third one. On click, change to, no, sorry. The second one is not on click, it's after a delay. Let's make 100 ms as well. Smart animate is in and out is perfect. And the third one, I'm going to connect it with the first one again. On click, change to smart animate, perfect. Now I'm gonna take this first out. Let me show you how it looks. Preview. So if we push on it, woo, makes a small animation, okay? Great. Now we are gonna put this inside here because it's part of our components and patterns. And I'm going to cut this and add it inside here. Now, this it was not our main, so I'm going to add it inside this one because this is a main. Oops. Paste to replace. And then I'm going to add it inside this one, okay? Paste to replace. Great. Here I'm going to detach this instance, okay? And I'm going to take this cable away. Great. So now here, these are going to behave like when you press on it, it's going to get red. Also, let's change the small one from here. Paste to replace. Great. Here on this screen, we actually only have to do now here, okay, for example, this button. It's connected with our with my bag screen, okay. And you see the smart animate here is going to be instant. On click, navigate to my bag, instant. And from here, similar to this, if you realize when you would push on this one, it's going to take it to the book details page. So we don't want to make another book detail, like this and connect this one to this one, okay? Because it doesn't connect to itself. You see, if we push here, it's not connecting to itself, okay? And then from library we can do the same like we did before. So frame the selection again. Let me check first if it has a double frame already. No, it's fine. Okay, so frame the selection again, make it smaller. If you remember, it was 368. And clip content, same here. Frame selection, 368 and clip content. And here as well, frame selection, 368, clip content. Just gonna take now this frame, this bigger frame, and hide contents. Great. Inside this now, we are gonna go to prototype and gonna say scroll horizontal. Both, same with the second one and same with the third one. See if this it works. Perfect. Great. Here on reader, we're not gonna connect anything. We're just gonna leave it like this. and here my bag. Yeah, we can actually do something here, but we are gonna do it in a second. I'm gonna pause this video and we continue in the next video.